Draw the round body and pointy nose. Add spikes on its back. Give it an eye and a nose. Add 4 little feet. Finish with a happy smile. Now color it all in. Now the next color.